I just got this in the mail, so I'm going to open up and show you a little bit. I also have, just a little tip and trick. If you have eyeshadows that you want to repress, but you don't necessarily have the time, but you want to keep them, you know, safe for the next time, just fucking put them in these little baggies. I stapled these all together because I don't know why, but so they wouldn't get lost. But I had other shadows that I just didn't have time to repress, and just shove them in these baggies, and you're good to go. That's a good way to break them all up. But FIXY has their own sort of setup for that, which is really nice. So I'm going to open this. Then set it on this here. So first we got our FIXY spray. Ooh, love this bottle, by the way. I have these little ones, but I kind of like the thicker one. That's nice. Then it comes with a little palette. Love. I just have the hiccups. Oh my goodness. So that's nice. Then we've got, let's see. Oh, we got an instruction manual. Got all the instructions. Guys, I think this is a really amazing way to just have everything in one spot and to be able to condense your kit easily. You know, you can get the presses, which I have and I love, but you know, the half-ton press or the 1-ton press, fine. Even if I'm using my own strength, it's just as good. And you know, this really allows you to do that. It really does. It's super easy. So, okay. This is a little box. It's so cute. So it looks like here, the top is the 3 pressed molds. And here is what they fit into. And what you've got is, wait, hold on. So you put your product in here. Scrape. And then it's in this guy. And you put your pan inside here. Scrape in your product. Take this guy. Press. And you'll have your pressed product all ready to go. Now these are silicone, so they're probably easily cleanable, which is really nice, and sanitizable. But what you also can do is a little tip and trick is take like saran wrap or like these little baggies. I'll cut them up and just put it right on top and then do the pressing. That way you don't have to clean this after each time. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out.